everything to get the vote out and all the rest of it. Well, I'll do that, but I've been thinking about this for a long time, and I did not want this campaign to end without talking about it because it means a lot to me. I'm trying to end the campaign focusing on issues that are really close to my heart, and this is one of them. Thank you. You know, for me, service is really all about fulfilling the instruction of my Methodist faith. And you can see part of the creed I like to follow behind me. Do all the good you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as ever you can. Now, I've carried those words with me ever since I heard them as a little girl, and it's an idea that really got into my head and my heart. But you know what's kept me going are the people that I've met. In a country founded on liberty and equality, I can't think of a more important notion than every one of us is valuable. We all deserve respect. We all should listen to each other. We all can make our mark on the world. And when we come together in common purpose, we can do so much more than we could ever do on our own. That's why Stronger Together is more than a slogan, it's a course of action. So here's what I want to do. I want you to hear me pledge that this will be a vital aspect of my presidency. And I want you to help me bring our nation together, to solve our problems, strengthen our communities,